Hi, I'm Jeffrey Siegel, the owner of Mystic Journey Bookstore, and I want to welcome you to our website, our store, and the Mystic Journey experience. And Mystic Journey really is an experience because we are so much more than just a bookstore. And I want to relate to you how it came to be that we're so much more than a bookstore. And so if I can take a moment of your time, I'd like to share with you the creation of Mystic Journey. 6 years ago, I was diagnosed with cancer, testicular cancer. And I went through surgery, and they thought they had it, and then lo and behold, a couple weeks later, they said, "Oh, we didn't get it. We think you should go through chemo." And in that moment, I decided that I didn't want to do that. I wanted to take a different course. I had been a lawyer for over 20 years, and I had been wanting to do something else with my life. And I thought this was the moment. This was the moment to step out of that left brain thinking and move into a right brain mentality, and to go through something that isn't the normal course, and to expand my vision and expand my experience. And I went through the natural healing, and within 6 weeks, the abnormality that had appeared had disappeared. And it was in those 6 weeks, in the 6 weeks or so that followed that I decided that it was time to live my passion. And so I thought and decided, what was it that really hit a chord with me, that resonated with my heart? And for me, it was a combination of spirituality, travel, and art. And it was through that time, that 6 to 12 weeks, where the visioning and the creation of Mystic Journey happened. And it's with that experience and with the desire to share that experience, that moving from a hardcore, everyday, hustle-bustle, stressful lifestyle into a place of peace and relaxation and expansion, that I created what is now Mystic Journey. And so I want to invite you into our store to experience books that have incredible teachings. I read so much during my healing. But more than that we have products, we have music, we have crystals, we have candles and incense and so many things. And beyond that now, we are basically a community center. We have events every day. We bring in people to share their wealth, to share their wisdom, to share their knowledge. We have book signings with some of the finest authors in the spiritual field. Many people have been here and will continue to come. We also have intuitive readers here every day, all the hours that we're open, to help guide you through your experience and where you're going. And really what I want to do is to share with you my thoughts that we have so much to offer, to bring to the world, to bring to the community, to help grow what is your passion and your inner life. So come and visit Mystic Journey and experience everything we have to offer. Thank you.